Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will be reviewing a cordless 20 volt impact driver. This one I have here is from a company called TECCPO. It's rated to have a maximum torque of 1600 inch-pounds and has a 0 to 2900 RPM with no load and 0 to 4000 blows per minute. It also comes with a 4 amp 30-minute fast charger. It comes with two rechargeable 2 amp hour lithium-ion batteries. As you can see, this tool comes in this very nice carrying case. Let me open this up and I'll show you all the pieces that come with it. And here's the impact driver. User manual. Here's one battery. Here's a second battery. Belt clip. Here's a charger. Here's a look at everything you get with this tool. Let's take a closer look at this TECCPO impact driver. At the front we have this 1/4 inch hex chuck. To install the bit, you need to pull this collar forward, put a bit in here and release it. To remove it, same thing, pull this forward to remove it. Right here in the middle is a forward and reverse switch. Right here is a trigger. It has a nice rubber grip. At the base, you have this white LED that will illuminate when you pull the trigger. This will help illuminate the work area. Let's take a look at the 20 volt maximum 2 amp hour lithium ion battery. To install this battery, you simply slide this right into this tool. And there's a battery gauge. You press this button right here. It'll tell you the charge level. To install the belt clip, place it onto the side of the tool. Comes with a Phillips screw. Now to get an idea how this TECCPO tool performs, I'll be doing a couple of tests and comparing this to the MAKITA and the DEWALT impact driver you see right here. Now these two tools are very similar in spec to this TECCPO one I have here. For example, this MAKITA XDT11 has the same RPM rating of 0 to 2900 and the blows per minute is 3500. Where the TECCPO has 4000 blows per minute, and the MAKITA has 1460 inch-pounds of torque, where the TECCPO is 1600. Now the battery that comes with the MAKITA is an 18 volt lithium-ion battery rated at 3 amp hour, so it's a very high capacity battery. Next to it is a DEWALT DCF AA5 impact driver, and it's rated to have a 0 to 2800 RPM and 3200 blows per minute, and the torque rating is 1400 inch-pounds. It has a 20 volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery rated at 1.5 amp hour. Now the TECCPO comes with two batteries and the MAKITA and DEWALT comes with one battery. Now all three tools use a 1/4 inch hex chuck, but the MAKITA and the DEWALT does have a one-handed operation on the chuck. You simply have to push a bit into the chuck and it will lock it in place. Now when you remove it, you do have to push this collar forward to remove it. Same thing with the DEWALT. On the MAKITA, the work light's right here. On the back of the battery, there's a battery gauge. With the DEWALT, the work light is at the front right here. But the battery does not have a battery gauge. Now all three of these impact drivers have variable speed control, so if you pull on the trigger slightly, it'll be slow. And you pull it more, it'll be faster. As for the size, the MAKITA and the DEWALT are very similar in size. The TECCPO is a bit bigger, with the top being longer. Before doing the comparison, I will charge all three batteries fully. Now with this TECCPO charger, this is a quick charger. To charge this 20 volt 2 amp hour lithium ion battery, it takes 30 minutes. Next to it is a DEWALT charger. With this charger, this is a standard charger. And to charge this 20 volt 1.5 amp hour battery, it takes 1 hour and 10 minutes. Over here is the MAKITA charger. This is a rapid charger. And to charge this 18 volt 3 amp hour battery, it will take 30 minutes. The first test I'll do is drive this 4-inch lag screw into this wood. Now there are no pilot holes drilled, so let's start with the MAKITA. Next one up is a DEWALT. And the third one is a TECCPO. Next, I'll drive 10 of these wood screws and see how it performs. I'll start with a MAKITA. Next one up is a DEWALT. Now we'll try the TECCPO. Now I'm going to try drilling a 1 1/4 inch hole using this spade bit. And first up is a TECCPO. Next up is a DEWALT. And lastly is a MAKITA. Overall, this TECCPO impact driver is a good performer. It's definitely able to handle most jobs around your home or work site. You can use it to drive screws, anchors, or fasteners. With the 2 battery packs, it will allow you to continue working for many hours without interruption. In the comparison test, this tool performed just as well as the DEWALT and MAKITA. It had plenty of power to drive that lag screw all the way down very quickly. The performance was also very consistent when driving many screws one after another. The overall build quality is very good and has a nice balanced feel to it. At the time of this review, this TECCPO impact driver is sold on Amazon for $109. Now the pricing is very close to the other brands you find on the market, but remember the TECCPO does come with 2 batteries. So for example, you can get the DEWALT for $100 and the MAKITA is $115. So if you're looking for a 1/4 inch impact driver that has good performance and good value, this might be something you can consider. I will include the link for this tool in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.